What is going on, everybody? How you guys doing? Coming at you guys with a new vid. Today we are on a mission. I'm gonna be doing a behind the scenes on a music video shoot I'm doing. I got everything packed up in the car already, in the truck. It is a nasty day outside, which kind of sucks because I needed good weather for some scenes, but oh well, gotta do what we gotta do. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go pick up the artist, and we're going to Miami Beach to the hotel. We're gonna get the model and we're gonna shoot this video. You guys wanna come along for the ride? Check it out. Yo, yeah, what up? Looking like a fly boy.
Yeah, you already know, dog.
This is a behind the scenes vlog we're doing.
Oh shit, you know, Third Eye Mob, you know what I'm saying, man? Cross-eyed glizzy up in the building, dog.
Alright, so we're on our way out there, we're chasing the sun. Let's see, it's 3 o'clock, we gotta check in by 4. Alright, right with us. Alright, so we just made it here. We parked, unloaded everything. We're at the model just came. Everybody's on time. Everything seems to be going good. This is like an hour away from my house, and the weather at my house is pretty ugly. Out here it's a little gloomy. It's not like the best conditions, but whatever. We're gonna make it do what it do. Across the street. So I'm gonna check in and then set up everything. I love this time of year in Miami. It's not hot. It's nice. All right.
Yeah, I know.
That's Nikki, no, that's Nikki, and then he's in the back. I don't believe you don't know who Faruko is.
Chris.
How does he not know?
But I didn't know who Faruko was.
Wait. Fuck, you just missed it.
Alright, so we got in the room. Check out the room. This is like a little bathroom they got here. I like this lighting here, that's just cool. Yo, all this is ours? Damn, we got a big ass balcony. Alright, so we got the little studio set up in the hotel room. We shot outside. We had to do that fast because of the sun was going down. So this is how we set up the room here. Got the artist, model, yeah. And then we got these Amazon lights. We got this little slider. And that's it. So
You forgot
check
about
it out.
we got the Douce, bro.
Yeah.
We got the Douce.
Douce on deck.
We got the Douce, the Ciroc Red Berry.
Yeah. So, alright, they're gonna perform. Yeah, check it out. So you're gonna basically perform the whole song on that thing, and then
And you set up that one, right?
yeah, and then after we're done performing the song, I'll replay the song. And I'll take the camera off of there, and I'll put the camera in slow motion, and then we'll just get some B-roll shots. You guys can know we can chop it up. This scene is just gonna be that, and then I'm gonna put it back on. Right?
Okay.
Alright, on 3. 1, 2, 3.
You're eating like a big pig.
Yeah, but I work out, so I'm still healthy, kind of. Also, I didn't drink back then. I didn't smoke nothing, you know?
Yeah.
I had to be the healthiest nigga in high school. Kissing on your legs, trying to do it real slow. Touching on your body, man, you love that shit. Body so perfect, gotta turn the lights on. Take off the sheets, we ain't doing that shit. When I'm looking at your body, man, your body is so perfect. Baby mama would spend money, girl, you worth it. Running all up on the bed, man, you love it. Switching up positions, going slow, that's a focus. Just wanting you, and I'm switching up the tempo, just enjoying the view. And I love the way you move. Girl, come put that shit down on me. So I never go away from it. But we're not gonna ever go and start grinding. Ain't running shit, ain't running shit, House. that was good. My name.
Oh, I'm hungry.
Go ahead. I don't know if you're busy after this, but we're gonna go to a burger place if you wanna go.
I got you if you come since you looked out for the video. I told you I'd get you all food.
But this is all at 120 frames per second and super slow mo. So you don't want to see the generator count.
And you gotta make sure you don't get yourself in the mirror.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I didn't even think about that, bro.
I seen a little hat in the mirror.
When I went this way,
Bro, I didn't even think about stuff like that, dog. I just be letting them do it. I don't know.
Alright, so we're in the last scene. This is the bedroom scene. Let's see how we got it lit. So I got the gimbal. It's the Zion Crane 2 and the Sony A7 III with Tamron lens. And that's it. Once we wrap up this scene, it'll be a wrap, and then the hard part, which is editing. You know what I mean? All right. This is the last scene. It's gonna be some B-roll at 120 frames a second, and then it's gonna be a wrap. You guys did a great job, thank you. I appreciate you guys. All right, ready? Play the song. I'm gonna take one more hit. Dude, this shit is so cool. Gang, finish, Holmes. Thank you. Like, comment, subscribe. What's your IG?
2 butterflies, 1 monkey.
2 butterflies, 1 monkey. Good looking out. I appreciate you so much.
No
Go ahead, cuz.
This motherfucking cross-eyed God, cross-eyed glizzy, third eye mob, and I want y'all to
Shout out your YouTube channel. You know?
shout out my YouTube channel, Cross-eyed God, man. Go follow me, son.
Gang, gang,
Third eye
gang.
mob, man.
Peace. Thank you.